Hey loves, welcome to today's episode. In this video, we are going to be talking about how to make about 100k and more as a social media manager in Nigeria. Now, if this video resonates with you, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment and get your pen and paper. Let's get right into it. On all the major job sites that we have today, like Jobber, Upwork, Fiverr, and Indeed, you can see clearly that social media managers earn about 80 to 100k, or even sometimes 150 to 200k, depending on your skill set and how experienced you are in the field. If on Upwork, you can earn as much as $15 per hour as a social media manager. So you can clearly see that this is something that you should learn today. Now, apart from all this amazing stuff about money and how lucrative it is, the most important of all is that you get to do this at the comfort of your home, and you don't have to go through all the 9 to 5 hustling and bustling. You don't have to be in traffic jams or pay the outrageous amount of transportation that we experience today. So you're literally living on your own terms, serving people and earning money while you are at it. So if this is something or a course or a field you would like to explore, let's get into the next part of this video. We have gotten to the interesting part of this video, which is how to get certified as a social media manager. Now, you might have the skill, you might have the experience, but if you're not certified, it's going to be very difficult for you to convince employers that this is something that you can do, because they want to see who certified you. And certification is something that is everywhere at the moment. When you go onto the streets of internet, you're going to see a lot of people offering social media courses to the general public, but that is not what we want. We want a certification that is going to command respect, a certification that is going to put us at the top of the ladder. And today I'll be giving you free certifications that you can take and become a social media manager that is well experienced, certified, and most importantly, a social media manager that has portfolios of amazing work that has been certified good by a big brand in the industry. Let's check out these courses that I've been talking about since. So number one of this course is the Google Digital Marketing course. Now you might say this is digital marketing, but I promise you that in this course, there's the entire module that is dedicated to social media management and teaching you how to really scale and market on the social media space. So it's not just digital marketing. They're going to teach you a lot of social media management and just getting you acquainted with what it is like to market on the social media space. Number two is the SEMrush Academy SEO certification. So SEO is search engine optimization. So what this course does for you is that it further explains your expertise in the field of social media management. So you're not just a social media person who just posts online to generate traffic. You also know a lot on search engine optimization, and this, believe me, will help you scale up on the ladder of employment wherever you go. Number three, the Google Analytics course. So analytics is basically just checking how your engagement is, who is liking your post, where they are liking a form, their location, their demographics. That is what analytics is. So when you take the Google Analytics course, it's going to further explain to people that you know exactly how to find out the problem. So if people are just liking your post and they're not engaging and they're not buying, maybe something that has to do with their demographics, and with the analytics, you can get information on how best to tackle situations like that. The fourth one is the HP Social Media Marketing course. So this is a social media marketing course. It's not SEO, it's not digital marketing. It is basically social media management, and it is by the brand HP, and this is a brand that has been into technology for a long time, and believe me, it's going to help you command respect when you get a certification from this brand. The fifth one is the HubSpot SEO certification. So I've talked about the SEMrush SEO certification. So if that is not doing it for you, you can take the HubSpot SEO certification course, which is going to teach you search engine optimization, and you can even go further in learning search engine marketing. So you are not just optimizing, you're also learning how to market using search engine results. And these courses, believe me, when you take them, they are going to put you out there. Most times People are not going to ask you to just show them what you know. They're going to first look at your certification before even giving you an audience. So let's see who certified this person. So if you take 3 of all these courses I've mentioned, believe you me, you are going to be at the top of the ladder. You are also going to be ending that 9 to 5 life, which is not fun. You're going to gain financial freedom, and you can do that from the comfort of your home. So we've come to the end of this video. So if you have any interest in editing and tutorials on how to create your own ebook and you would like to explore that, I'm going to put the link in my description box. So guys, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe so that you can get notified anytime I release more video like this. Until next time, bye.
I wanna be in your life until the night is over. I wanna hold you so tight, coming close.